Want to turn every purchase into a reward? With our token system, the more you shop, the more you earn. And it's all just a tap away. Let's unlock those rewards. Ready to start? Let's dive in. Loyal and Save is pleased to announce that digital coupons are now available through the Swag Shop. This allows customers to redeem their accrued Loyal and Save tokens for valuable coupons. Customers can use these digital coupons to obtain discounts or a free item on purchases made in-store. Digital coupons can be redeemed or gifted from the Loyal and Save web portal or mobile app. Customers have the option to print or download coupons. Customers will have automated coupon alerts, emails, and push notifications from the mobile app. Merchants have access to a new coupon report. The report displays items redeemed by customers and provides detailed information on redemption dates. For more information on digital coupons and how to set them up for your business, visit goftx.com and get started with FTx Academy to learn the ins and outs of Loyal and Save.